Subscribe to Anu's Food Cart, click on the bell icon and select the option all to get notification whenever I post a new video. Hello friends, welcome to Anu's Food Cart. I have got several requests for kids and lunchbox recipes, and today I am here to share with you the recipe of pasta in white sauce, which is not just kids recipe but also is a lunchbox recipe. Without any further delay, let us quickly jump into the ingredients and check out the recipe. I have taken a cup of pasta, 1/8 cup each of sweet corn, broccoli and carrots, 1/8 cup of red bell pepper, 1½ tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of plain flour or maida, 2 cubes of processed cheese, 3 cups of water, 1 1/4 cup of warm milk, 2 teaspoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning or mixed herbs, a teaspoon of red chili flakes, and a teaspoon of olive oil. Pasta is available in several different shapes and you can choose any of your favorite ones. I have taken mini penne pasta because it cooks really fast. You can take macaroni for this recipe as well. Take 2½ cups of water in a saucepan. Add 1½ teaspoons of salt and olive oil to it. Add pasta once the water comes to a rolling boil. Cook the pasta well. The pasta shouldn't turn mushy. Be very careful while cooking the pasta. Just follow the instructions given at the back of the package and you'll get awesome pasta. Pasta has to be cooked al dente. Al dente means it has to remain firm when you bite into it. Place a sieve onto a bowl and add the cooked pasta onto it so that all the water is drained off. Spread it well and keep it aside. So let us prepare the white sauce now. Place a saucepan on low flame and add a teaspoon of butter to it. Add garlic once the butter melts and saute for about 30 seconds. Once the garlic starts to turn golden, add in the plain flour and mix well. Cook until the raw flavor is completely gone. Add warm milk little by little and mix it thoroughly so that no lumps are formed. Do not add all the milk at once. Do not add more than 1¼ cup of milk. Turn the flame to medium and let it come to a boil. Add cheese and mix continuously until it melts. Make sure to mix the sauce continuously. You can increase or decrease the amount of cheese added to this recipe. I have just added 1½ cubes of processed cheese. You can also add mozzarella. Turn off the flame once it comes to a boil. Now place another saucepan on medium flame and add the remaining butter to it. Add red bell pepper once the butter melts completely. Saute for around 30 seconds. Now add in all the vegetables and saute for 30 more seconds. I have taken 4 different vegetables, each of a different color, just to make it attractive. You can use several other different vegetables like zucchini, cherry tomatoes, mushrooms and any colored bell peppers. Add half a cup of water to it so that the vegetables cook slightly. Once the water dries off, add in the cooked pasta and the white sauce to it. Mix well and add salt if needed. Add Italian seasoning or mixed herbs and chili flakes to it. Red chili flakes can be replaced with white pepper powder or black pepper powder, but I like the taste of red chili flakes better in this recipe. Mix well and turn off the flame. Our pasta in white sauce is ready. That's it for this recipe. Wasn't it quite easy? I hope you all will try out this recipe at home and let me know through the comment section how you liked it. This is one of the best recipes to feed your kids with lots of vegetables. So try to make it as attractive as possible by adding different colored vegetables to it. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for many more such amazing recipes. Also click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Share this video with all your friends, family members and loved ones without fail. I'll see you guys with another yummy recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Hello friends, I have got several